Today, how Solana went from FTX casualty to crypto's brightest star with a more than 10x surge from its lows in the beginning of 2023. Solana has seen immense levels of growth and activity recently. What helped the Sol token resurgence is a series of airdrops. Despite outages and the fall of FTX, speculators flowed back into the network. Solana disciples have long dubbed their Layer 1 blockchain an Ethereum killer. But a better moniker might be survivor of the bear market. In the bear market, after the Terra Luna crash and the FTX bankruptcy, Solana's Sol token lost 94% of its value, which was way worse than the 67% decline in Ether. Users feared the protocol wouldn't be able to recover and that it was doomed to become just another failed project. Now Solana has regained some of its former radiance. DeFi TVL, or total value locked, has steadily grown and Solana surged way harder than Ethereum in the past year. Daily active user count tripled compared to only a very marginal growth in Ethereum's usage. But there are still major issues to overcome. Solana has long been plagued by outages in its blockchain network, which makes it hard to establish the protocol as a reliable protocol. Solana's TVL still only comprises a fraction of the DeFi market total share, on which Ethereum claims the lion's share. Let's pause the video for a bit, as I got a favor to ask. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to the channel with notifications on to support my work and to not miss any future content of mine. Likes also help. If you are looking for even more alpha and insights, also follow me on Twitter. I post on there daily. Back to topic. Solana is a very nice comeback story. Solana launched the Sol token in March 2020 and 2 months later the first transactions took place. Solana was hotter than hot during the so-called DeFi summer in 2021, when the coin value skyrocketed to more than $250. Also at this time, venture capital investments in crypto soared and new decentralized finance projects hit the scene every week. FTX was the entity throwing the most money around, funding a lot of projects. The infamous SBF, or Sam Bankman-Fried, was the CEO. He also ran a hedge fund called Alameda Research. And he was probably the biggest fan of Solana. Solana even got the nickname Samcoin because of the heavy involvement of Sam and his companies. Following the huge crash, Sol was hit harder than many others. FTX and Alameda dumped huge amounts of Solana token to keep themselves afloat, but that didn't save them in the end. FTX collapsed in 2022. The crash wiped out hundreds of billions of dollars from the crypto market. It tanked investor confidence in the entire sector, and trust in crypto went to its low point. In November last year, a jury found Sam guilty on 7 counts of fraud and conspiracy in connection with the downfall of FTX and Alameda. It has taken about a year for Solana to dig out from the hole they found themselves in. In conjunction with FTX, airdrops helped a lot. These are free distributions of tokens designed to entice crypto users' appetite on a project and to make it more popular in the community. Perth and Jito Protocol launched airdrops worth more than $200 million at the time into the Solana ecosystem, which drove hype. Even bigger was the recent airdrop by Jupiter Exchange. Solana's tiny transaction fees have provided another edge against its main competitor, Ethereum, which in times of heightened activity or network congestion can see fees cost of $100 or even more. Another driver of Solana's popularity is obviously meme coins. Speculators have piled into Bonk and similar offerings. Solana is also way more scalable than Ethereum. It can process 65,000 transactions per second compared to 15 TPS for Ethereum. Keep in mind that faster processing and cheaper fees won't mean much if Solana can't stay up and running. With many outages in the last years, this has become a serious problem. In early February, Solana went down again for a couple of hours. Another good news for Solana is that credit card giant Visa announced it would include Solana in its stablecoin payment infrastructure. On the NFT market, Solana is also doing phenomenal. It's even doing well compared with Ethereum in terms of non-fungible token sales. This is again because minting and transactions are way cheaper. What do you think? Did Solana, despite all the drama, become a must-have asset when investors are building crypto portfolios? Or is it only a hyped shitcoin? At the moment, market value is more than twice as much as Cardano and Polkadot combined. And despite all of its limitations, Solana continues to challenge Ethereum in the race to win more users, projects, and TVL. You got to give Solana at least this. The protocol has proven its resilience, at least in terms of its popularity and price action. Until it solves its outage problem, hodler may wonder how long that will last. If this was helpful, please like, subscribe and share. Watch this video next to learn more about one of the biggest projects on Solana blockchain.